Is your Gmail stuck in the wrong language or country? Change it in under 2 minutes with this simple fix. I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your Gmail country settings. Let's start by opening your Gmail settings. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Settings. Now, click on See All Settings to open the full settings menu. Next, click on Change Language Settings for other Google products. You'll see the Preferred Language section. Locate it. Click on the pencil icon to edit your language preference. Type your preferred language in the field. For example, type English. Then, choose a region or country from the drop-down. Finally, click on Save to apply your changes. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.